Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we return to the wonderful world that is Amazon. Yes, I found this for $2.99 on Amazon a fair few weeks ago. Forgot I had it and found it underneath some stuff, so I was like, oh bugger, I forgot to do that. So we're going to unbox it now, and it is one of my favourite animals. Well, it's actually an insect, but as you can see, it's a butterfly. Oh, so cute. Right, and this was I was looking for some other paintings and it popped up and I was like, oh, I've got to have it, got to have it. Like, there's no doubt about it, I'm having it. So it's one of them flat ones. We've got some beautiful blues and minty greens in here, 24 colours on the Shematic, and it's a 30 times 40. And look at that, these lovely belt of drills. We've got a squishy. Oh yes, and 2 pens and bags. Wow, it's our lucky day, look. And maybe to get bags we need to go to Amazon because Temu don't put them in very often. Oh my days, look at that. That is absolutely... These just look like little bluebell plants, and then you've got that dark sort of oceany sort of blue colour there. But look at this lovely little butterfly. It looks... It's difficult to tell, but it looks a bit possibly like a moth. But then again, moths' wings tend to be flatter, whereas butterflies are more like sprayed out. So yeah, it's definitely a butterfly. And then this one's really nice in the fact that they've included the antennae. We don't get very many butterflies come that have the antennae included. They tend to leave them off, but it's just sort of landed on this lovely plant. I love the way the body is that indigo blue sort of mixing in with the flower here, and obviously we've got some sort of flower here, but obviously with a big green sort of thing to it. That's what it's supposed to look like, as you can see here, and we've got a random drill there, so bing. I flick all my drills like spare ones. And yeah, so that looks like, I don't know if it's like a cabbage, because you know cabbages, is it a cabbage or no, cauliflower? I think they have green leaves with like the yellow bit of the cauliflower in. So yeah, this looks wonderful. So let's get to our drills now. And just before we do that, I did show you this already, but we've got the wax and we've even got a whale's tail. Yes, that is actually a straightener, but I like to call it a whale's tail because it resembles a whale's tail. We've also got ourselves a pink squashy, and we've got some bags, and we've got 2 pens. It always makes me laugh where, you know, they'll include 2 pens. One has the placer and one don't, but then they put the random placer down there. So that's that. Let's take a look inside these wonderful, beautiful drills here. And they look lovely. So in here we have ourselves, we've got a yellow and a purple, and we've got a pink and a dark green gorilla sort of forestry sort of colour there. Another green matching that, slightly lighter, ever so different. And then we got a dark green, we got that lime green, and we got a sort of mild blue there, and a sort of royal blue, a dark green there with a what looks to be like a blue drill there. I love that colour to bits. That is number 10. That is coming up at $8.90. So remember that, guys, $8.90. We've got a red here and a burgundy, so that's that one. We've then got ourselves the next strip here, and we've got the white and an orange. Again, that beautiful minty green. So gorgeous, isn't it? And then you've got the teal and a sort of darker sort of turquoisey green. And then we've got a sort of lighter turquoisey colour, a mild sort of blue again. This I don't think is a 3865. It tends to be like a minty white. It's got like a bit of a glow on it, possibly a 718 or 782 is it? There's a drill that looks a bit off-white. I think they call it a 782. And then we've got a banana sort of vanilla colour. Again, they're minty greens. I don't know why they couldn't have put them with them, but it is what it is. It's annoying when like you have all the colours in a row and then they'll like space 2 up here. And then we've got that lovely black colour as well. So that is our Amazon unboxing. We're going to be doing more Amazon unboxing because I want to... This year I've really sort of done... It seems to be a lot of Temu in the range, and I want to branch it out a bit more now. I want to go back to the range, back to Amazon, back to Temu, just really widen it up a bit, rather than the same shops all the time. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. It looks like someone's had a trim at that because they've cut half the border off, look. And yeah, I just love it. I can't wait to do that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's check that stick again, which is, oh my god, I'm getting stuck here. This is, I can feel, yeah, that is absolutely strong stick. Absolutely beautiful. I think it's going to look really lovely. If you want to get this for yourself, the link's in the description of the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And always tap that notification bell so that you can be notified as and when a video goes up on the channel. And until then, I'll see you later, my lovies. Take care. Bye.